apocalypse. You don't know what's bad bothers us. Cut your scalp and feel it over you. Run this show, going kamikaze. Shut your mouth, I'll pop the shotty. When the slugs come out, I'ma stop the cockiness. You'll drop and block your box and probably shit. And you ain't ever done a robbery since. But boy, you must be talking shit. Yeah. Top down. That's not something you should joke about. Cause if he's snitching, he'll risk and lay your broken out. See, I've been living, getting shit that you don't know about. So why bother showing you what I am doing? You think I'll tell on myself? You think I'm that stupid? This ain't rap music, this is rap music. So let's get back to it, black hooded, hard to eat.
Just came from the spot. It was pretty hot actually. Out here with the homies. Got Ugly J and
High five.
we got
Is it cause she a girl?
I'm hung out with
Sister Chris.
What up? Carter.
Got son over here.
Buddy, come here. Look at the camera.
Carter, come here.
High five. Give him a high five.
Carter, come here. Always being bad, bro. Well, how was the angle?
You hear noise or something?
No, I thought he zip tied his speed sensor too tight, so when he got full lock, it fucking ripped the sensor out.
No, it didn't rip it out. It was about damn.
Oh, is that the one that you're looking for a bolt for?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that we were coming down here. We out sliding, and then I guess there's a bunch of car shows going on, so.
Just feed it all the way down.
Does it come through?
Oh no, don't. Oh wait, no, it don't. Where's the food?
Going deep though.
Does it have?
Oh God.
Is it fast?
Makes about 400 horsepower.
What is
It's
it?
an 86 Nissan 300ZX, and it's got just a V6 with big turbo.
The slide?
I can get it to slide.
All right. This kid never stops. What's up, boys?
Hey,
Is this a cow or a cheetah?
I don't know yet.
It's a llama. It's a llama.
I've also gotten Ninja Turtles too.
Can you put like udders on it? Just like, start milking.
Where are they gonna go?
It's ugly, right?
I'm impressed at how committed you went to this.
hey, you gotta.
I'm not done yet.
You gotta ask. Have you seen? Oh, I don't know.
We got kids here and everything. Dude, if I didn't see her, she would have definitely been dead, for sure.
Damn.
She definitely would have been dead.
What's up, bro?
How you doing, man?
Oh, camera angle.
Hold on.
You know,
Damn angle, dude. Oh,
Some angles. Get more.
alright.
You gotta go make meatloaf.
Y'all want to smell me? I mean,
You gotta go make meatloaf.
all right, guys.
gotta what?
I gotta go.
You gotta go
you
make
got
meatloaf.
what?
You got what? What do you gotta do?
You gotta leave?
Now he's
You're not even gonna show us the
Now he doesn't have to leave. Now he's on. We gotta move a bed today or something? No, there's gonna be more water in there. What's up, Tony? Yeah,
You'd be shocked this if he carries this dark blue where that orange is.
yeah, he's gonna do
Ooh, is that a Grand Am Jitsu?
it. Dude, Timothy commented on your shit. I was gonna tell you today. I was like, your buddy's commenting on your shit.
Includes another video of us out drifting, having fun, doing normal shit, big uglies, and now it's time to play a little bit of Forza. So I'm rocking the BMW 97 M3 at the Dead Mouse Bumpin'. Don't forget to hit the link and subscribe.